friends, welcome back to Simply Our Home. In today's video, we'll be doing a clean and decorate here in my kitchen. This is actually the last room that we'll be tackling before my Christmas 2020 home tour. So be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, because you don't want to miss it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Amy and welcome. Let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Starting out, I've already cleared off my counters, ready for all the Christmas items that I'd like to incorporate. So I've laid them out all here on my kitchen island. And then as we swing over here, this is my eat-in kitchen area, so we'll be decorating it. And then on the left-hand side there is my new addition, which is my coffee bar. I did a video on how I created this, so be sure to check that out. I'll link it up above. So before we get started, let's go ahead, clean off all the counters and get them nice and ready for all the decor that I want to incorporate. The two products I'll be using here to clean my kitchen for Christmas is the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the peppermint scent. It is such a fresh and cheerful scent for Christmas. And then for my wood surfaces, I'll be using the Method wood polish, and it's actually in the almond scent, so it's very fresh and clean smelling. So let's go ahead and get started.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas.
These are the placemats that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to be using them on our table this Christmas.
You and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
For the center of the table, I'm keeping it fairly simple by adding my farmhouse scale from Decor Steels. I'm placing these mini wreaths with the red berries that I picked up from Joann Fabrics this year. They add the perfect pop of red to the scale. To finish it off, I'm adding the ceramic houses that you can find at the Target dollar spot.
Next door, we talk for hours on end, and somehow
I thought this corner was the perfect spot to add the DIY joy sign I made last year. I can link that video up above so you can check it out if you're interested in seeing how I made it. I'm also swapping out my Bless sign for the Christmas tree sign from Hobby Lobby.
Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gone.
Now to start adding in all my Christmas decor to my counters. Here I'm adding a cute little baking vignette with my favorite snowman tray that was a gift from my mama, along with a Christmas tea towel that I got last year from Hobby Lobby, and these adorable measuring cups that I got from Walmart this year. Also from Walmart, I found this cute little bottle of sprinkles. I just removed the label and it made a precious display. To top it all off, I'm adding a couple cookie cutters to finish it all up. Like I mentioned before, this is my favorite tray. Do you have a sentimental Christmas item? Let me know down in the comments. This little area just brings a big smile to my face, and I can't wait to start all my Christmas baking, and I love being able to serve and display all my Christmas cookies on that special tray each year.
Tree from this Christmas sun.
my sink area, I'm adding my favorite soaps from Grove Collaborative, both in the peppermint scent. Then, to the opposite side, I'm adding a Christmas countdown piece. I think it's my daughter and my favorite. Elaine and I compete to see who will change the countdown every day. So, since we're here at the sink, I'm going to go ahead and give the sink a much needed clean. I'm using the peppermint scent dish soap along with a sponge, and I'm just going to scrub down the sink. Remember, I have a link for Grove Collaborative for a free gift set, which includes a hand soap, dish soap, and an all-purpose cleaner. So be sure to check that out in the description box down below.
That's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around.
I also love using these garbage disposal freshener and cleaning pods at least a couple times a week. They remove odors, loosen grime, and help prevent clogging. The scent I have it in is the tangerine with lemongrass.
No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.
To the end of the counter, I'm decorating this single tray. If you missed my Christmas tiered tray video, I'll link that above. You don't want to miss that one. I shared 3 different tiered trays to give you some ideas. I love using trays in my decor because they're easily removed for both space and cleaning purposes.
My winter wonderland.
Next, I'll be tackling all of my stainless steel appliances, and for that, I love using Wyman's Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. It's my all-time favorite. It leaves the surface so shiny you can almost see your reflection. Now that you can see my island, all that is left to do is to wipe down the counter, and to keep it simple, I'll be adding my white tiered tray to the center. The kitchen is my last Christmas decorate with me before my Christmas home tour. I'm really glad that I kept this room for last. It was the catch-all for all the extra decor, and now that I'm almost finished, it can be cleaned up from all the left behind glitter and pine needles. I still have a lot of Christmas content still planned, so I'll be sharing recipes, DIY Christmas decor, gift ideas, cleaning motivation, and so much more. So if you're enjoying today's video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family.
If you're still needing more Christmas decor ideas, I can link my Christmas 2020 playlist so that you can get tons more Christmas ideas. Remember, I'll be sharing my Christmas 2020 home tour up next. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope to see you back in my next one. Take care and Merry Christmas. Bye!